Yes, good morning, good afternoon. This is Sotam City. So today I'm going to talk about technology. I'm going to give you my intake on technology. So technology is implanted in our Western world, also in our Eastern world as well, but we don't use it. People don't use the technology. So I give you the first good example. AI is implanted in our world. So AI is here, but people don't use it. Me as a technician, I try as possible to use it. So I use AI, but generally people don't use it. They never heard of what is AI, what is ChatGPT. Good. And the second example I'm going to give you, it's our phone. So I want to show you my phone. So, and I think in the year 2027, all is going to do, all will be in our phone. Many apps. So we're going to do everything in 2027 in our phone. So it's going to be mandatory. So as an example, if you go to travel, you have to have your onboarding paper on your cell phone. So I predict in the future you have to do your onboarding with your cell phone, and also to purchase something you are able to do it on your phone as well, because it's going to be digital, this CDBC. So you have to purchase everything on your smartphone in the nearest future. And for me, it's going to be 2027. And the technology is here, but we don't use it. I give you two more examples. So at my home, we have a dishwasher, but my mom, she don't use it. She prefer to wash it by her hand. By hand. She don't want to use the dishwasher. So the dishwasher is here, but she don't use it. And the second example, it's, in big company, they have many floor, but the company is at the second floor. People, they don't push the button to use the escalator. They prefer to take the stairs and do a walk to the second floor, because they say it's keep them healthy. So they take the stair instead of pushing the button for the escalator to take them to the second floor. Alright, so just a chit chat on my intake on technology. Technology is here, but the human mind don't use it. So technology is always exponential growth. But the mankind is backward. So our mentality as a humankind, we're backward, and technology is upward. It's exponential. Good? Alright, so thank you so much for tuning in, and see you on the next chit chat.
Like more, like more. Like more, like more. Like more, like more. Like more.
Even though I know you may hate me, I can't go, I'm scared to go away. whole crew, we gotta see this through. No pure love left, just hearts that break into karma's levy. Weighs me down tonight, just like I'm drowning. Can't get it right. I see love, but mine's never shining through. No one's gonna love you like I do. I watch and play, wishing I could feel that thrill. Oh my dear.